For high-achieving professionals balancing demanding careers and active lifestyles, maintaining vitality as you age is a top priority. Testosterone replacement therapy is gaining popularity among men in their 40s and 50s, with a growing number of individuals seeking science-backed solutions to boost energy and performance. If you are considering TRT to address low testosterone, you might wonder what changes to expect. Here are 9 things you'll notice when starting TRT, based on clinical insights and patient experiences. Within weeks, many report a noticeable boost in energy. A 2022 study from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that 65% of men on TRT experienced improved vitality within 4 to 6 weeks, perfect for tackling long workdays or weekend workouts. Low testosterone can lead to irritability or depression. Patients often feel a lift in mood and motivation, with one Primebody client noting, "I'm more engaged with my family after just a month." TRT supports protein synthesis, leading to increased muscle mass. Expect to see gains within 12 to 16 weeks, especially if paired with exercise. A game changer for those committed to fitness. Testosterone fuels libido, and many noticed heightened desire and performance within 3 to 6 weeks. This is a common benefit for busy professionals seeking to maintain intimacy amidst demanding schedules. TRT can enhance fat metabolism, with a 2023 clinical trial showing a 5 to 10% reduction in body fat over 6 months. Clients have reported tighter waistlines with consistent use. Fuzzy thinking often clears with TRT, with 70% of patients reporting better focus within 8 weeks. This is a boon for professionals needing sharp decision-making skills. Testosterone influences sleep regulation, and many experience more restful nights within a month. One Primebody client said, "I wake up refreshed, ready to tackle my day." TRT can boost red blood cell counts, improving oxygen delivery. You might notice this as heightened stamina, though regular blood work is key to monitor levels. Some men see thicker facial or body hair and improved skin elasticity within 3 to 6 months, reflecting testosterone's role in dermal health. This appeals to image-conscious professionals. Wonder if TRT is right for you? Take our quick quiz to evaluate your symptoms. Do you feel fatigued most days? Have you noticed a drop in libido? Are you over 40? Results will suggest if you should consult a specialist. Most scoring yes to 2 or more benefit from a checkup. At Primebody, we have streamlined TRT to fit your busy lifestyle, ensuring safety, convenience, and value. Our board-certified physicians oversee your treatment, conducting initial blood tests and regular monitoring to prevent risks like polycythemia. All protocols comply with FDA guidelines, giving you peace of mind. Start from home with our telehealth consultations. Book online, receive a personalized plan, and get lyophilized testosterone delivered to your doorstep. No clinic visits needed. We offer competitive pricing, with packages starting at $199/month, including medication and follow-ups, far below the $300, $500 average at private clinics. Are you ready to reclaim your vitality? Take the first step with Primebody's at-home TRT program. Schedule a free consultation today.